Indian aviation's biggest FDI deal between Jet Airways and Gulf airline Etihad has hit turbulence even before setting wheels on the runway. Etihad has proposed to buy 24% stake in Jet, investing 2,058 crore rupees. At the same time, Abu Dhabi has got 46,000 extra seats as part of a bilateral agreement with India. A political storm has been raised over the coincidence apart from other issues.
The deal is not scrapped because it will ruin our domestic airline industry. We will all become, we would outsource our entire airline industry to Abu Dhabi. Should we want that? So therefore, if they don't scrap this deal and the AirAsia deal, I will go to the court.
जेट इत्तेहाद जो डील हुई है उसमें भी दाल में कुछ काला है. इत्तेहाद को के साथ डील कर रहे हैं, उसके कुछ रूल रेगुलेशन बने हुए हैं, लेकिन डील से पहले 40,000 से ज्यादा सीट इत्तेहाद को दे दी जाती है.
The opposition has also alleged that the government is divided over the issue. Even the PM was opposed to the deal, but the Prime Minister's office has dismissed these claims. The statement issued by the PMO clearly says that the bilateral and the Jet Etihad deal are two distinct matters. The government is not split on the issue. The bilateral still stands, while the airlines' deal is still under examination. The Civil Aviation Ministry has also clarified that the Jet Etihad deal is taking place in accordance to the prescribed 49% FDI limit and will be kept fully transparent. The issue has flared up ever since some MPs in the Chief of Parliament Standing Committee on Civil Aviation raised a stink over the deal. The PMO has referred the matter to the Cabinet Secretary for a thorough once-over, but it remains to be seen if all objections are resolved. Bureau Report, DD News.